I think the program is completed. Just check by compiling and run. So during the compilation break, BREAK, the first error is before break there should be a semicolon. That means here there is semicolon. Okay. Next again just go to the compile and now here it is max undeclared first use in this function. Okay. So what is max? Here max means basically the capital letter max. So here it is the max that will be capital letter max. So capital letter MAX. Again save and compile. Again the error in this line. One extra third bracket. Compile. So A is not the name of array, it's a list. LIST. Save. Again compile. Unknown escape 40 in function create. Again the max is in small letter, that should be capital letter max. Compile and finally unknown escape create. It's a warning unknown escape sequence. I think this return, because of this is a infinite loop, so return is basically unreachable code. So I just ignore this line. So now again save and compile. So again it is going on. Okay, just check it with the. So this is the procedure. Here you can see the runtime. Press 1 to create the list, press 2 to display the list, press 3 to insert an item, press 4 to search an item, press 5 to delete an item or element, and press 6 to exit. So enter your choice. First time I just choice greater than 6 means 7 suppose. Okay. Enter wrong choice. Okay. So now I just go to press 1 for create list. Enter the size of the list, suppose 5 value. Enter the list 2, 4, 6, 8, 5. Enter. So thereafter it is created to display 2. The list is 2, 4, 6, 8, 5. So display indicates the creation operation, created operation is completed and successfully. Now 3. So 3 means we want to insert one element. Suppose one element is 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. So 3 will be insert at position 2. So insert operation, the 3, choice 3. Now enter the position you want to insert. So position is 2. So first of all, I just checked it by the position. Suppose there is 5 elements, maximum position is 6, but I have here suppose position is 7. So that is an invalid. That should be enter the position 7, enter the item to be insert 6. Okay, there is an error. I just check the delete operation, insert operation. So it is cos is greater than equals to, greater than equals to cos of 6, uh, greater than n. So save, compile, run again. So initially the list is not created. Still I just go to the 2 display. The list is not created. Understand? So and again if we go to the delete operation, that means 5, again the list is not created. So 1, the 5 element length is 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Using 2 we can display this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose we want to insert element and the position is suppose invalid position means suppose 7, enter, the position is invalid. Again we go to the insert operation and here suppose I want to insert how many elements, suppose at position 2 or position 3 we want to insert 4. Okay, so position is 3, position is 3. Now the insert item is suppose 4. Now to display it should be 1, 3, 4, 5. Display is 2 and here you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 4. If the position is greater than n, the position is invalid. Okay, otherwise enter the item to be insert ampersand item I equals to n minus 1, I is greater than equals to, condition is I is greater than equals to cos minus 1, I minus minus f2. Okay. Compile, run, 1, 5, 1 space, 3 space, 4. 5 space 7 space 9 2 3 position 3 value 4 to display. Now 1 3 4 5 7 9 exactly right. Now I want to search one element, that is 4. Enter to its value, suppose 8 is not available, and the 5 is not available in the list. I think there is a problem. What is the problem? In search item person B, the list is not created. Return I. So if pos is less than n, person else person B, here is comma item. Save, compile, run, 1 5 1 space 3 space 5 space 7 space 9. Now 4 for search, 8, enter. The 8 is not available in the list. Again 4 for search. Now the element, suppose 7 I want to search, and the position is 4, and 7 is found at position 4. Now I want to delete, that is option 5. I want to delete 5. I want to delete 5. 5. Now check it is deleted or not by 2, that is display, and 1 3 7 9 5 is already deleted, so it is over. So I think all of you understand what is the logics of different type of operation of list management data structure, and the program is also written using dev.c. Hope all of you understand the program also and the output.